Hi, I'm Jen. I'm proofing one of the videos we did for our Waro Graphics channel, and it has a little issue. Since we used news clips to illustrate the topics on this channel, look what happens when we play. This clip is very unstable. It sometimes gets pixelated. There's an easy fix for this. You just have to check how the video is called and go to your media encoder. This is called Rebel's Battle. So we just look for the clip and we put it in our media encoder. What this will do is that it will automatically change the format to H.264, and this will make it an HD stable video. So we just convert it. It will take a little while. And once you have it, you'll see that you have the same exact file, but with a 1 at the end of it. It's a copy. That is in H.264 and should be more stable. So you just have to go to your project folder, look for the file. My Premiere is in Spanish, I'm sorry. And replace the source file. This is very easy. This way you don't have to ruin your sequence. Now you can see when we play back, it doesn't pixelate. You can see that it's very zoomed in because this video was small and it was 3x'd. So you just have to adjust the size. Now it is an HD video, it has more quality. So that's it, you're welcome.